So you're looking for a full body, high intensity workout from just one exercise? Let's talk about the Navy SEALs burpee. Today we're talking about the Navy SEALs burpee, what it is, how to do it, and why you need to start doing it. As ever, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you like this move or if you're going to start doing it. So what is the Navy SEALs burpee? Okay, nice and quick. Navy SEALs burpee is an advanced version of the standard burpee that includes 3 push-ups per repetition. But that's not all. In addition to the push-ups, the exercise involves an alternating knee to chest drive between the push-ups. Therefore, making it a full body movement targets your chest, shoulders, arms, abs, legs, and hips. Wow! This is a very popular world in the fitness world because of its intensity and the results that it can get if you do this regularly. Okay, now we know what the Navy SEALs burpee is, let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to do a few now. I'm going to do the first couple in slow so you can see it move by move, and I'll have an audio description over the top, and then I'm going to show you a couple at full speed. So watch this. So that's what and how. Now let's talk about why you need to start doing it. 3 main reasons. 1, as we mentioned before, Navy SEALs burpee is a full body movement, targets your chest, shoulders, arms, abs, legs, and hips. There's not many moves out there that will hit every single area like that. 2, it's actually great for cardio and strength training. It does both. Again, not many moves out there that will do that at this intensity that you can do just with your body. And 3, the Navy SEALs burpee burns between 10 to 15 calories per minute, depending on the intensity that you do it. Now, this is more than a standard burpee, and in some cases, you'll burn more calories than going out for a run. Plus, you can do this move anywhere, even in the comfort of your own home. So that's the Navy SEALs burpee, solid move for a solid workout. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please check out some of my other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, see you in the next one.